everyone, it's Allison here with New Little Life. Do you want to see what's in this pump? Well, this is the video for you. This is the Medela Pump and Style Max Flow unboxing and setup video. Okay, so I recently got this pump from Medela and I'm really excited about it. So I'm gonna open it up for you today and show you what it comes with. This is their new updated pump and style. I have a video on their old pump and style, which you can watch if that's an option that you're considering. This is their newer model. Let's dive in. Okay, while I'm opening this up, I wanted to tell you about a Facebook group that I have. It's a private group that will help you choose a breast pump. So if you're trying to choose a breast pump and you want some help from me and other moms, you can go join it. I'll put a link down below. Okay, so in this box, you've got the pump. This style is a lot sleeker and way more updated, cute looking than the last one. Does that matter? I guess not, but I really like it. It definitely looks nicer. This pump also comes with a really cute little bag to put everything in. This bag on the inside has a place for the pump on the side. It's branded with Medela on the inside. It's really, really cute. It's got an extra pocket up here for whatever you might need. A pocket in the front. I love that. One of the major perks of this style of pump here. Okay, these are the flanges, and these are different than some of the ones I've seen before. It does come with two sizes. These are 24 and these are 21. So that's kind of cool. Especially since I prefer to use the 21 size, so I like that it came with the smaller ones to begin with. I have seen these on Amazon and on the Medela website. You can get several other sizes. I know at least the 28 millimeters. There may be some other sizes available as well. I'll put links down below for your options. So these flanges are a little bit different than things I've seen in the past. It's got an uneven top there. One of the sides is also wider than the other. And then this edge is squishy. I like the soft edges of flanges like this. It's a lot more comfortable on the breast than the hard plastic edges, so that's really cool. I'm also interested to see how this shape kind of fits on the breast. It seems like they've got some intention going behind there, so a really cool little flange from Medela. This looks like part of the flange. Oh, here's some tubing. This looks like your pretty standard V tubing. Those will go into the flanges. And then that one will hook to the pump. Nothing fancy there. Instructions and paperwork, which you should read. Also comes with a wall charger. Now, for some reason, I was thinking this was like a rechargeable pump, but it is not. This is the wall charger that it comes with. So you do need to be plugged in to use it. However, it also came with a battery pack option. So you can fill that up with batteries. You can even use the rechargeable AA's, which is what I would do if you were actually doing this. Because I actually already looked up the specs on this battery pack. I think you could probably get about 5 pumping sessions in on 8 AA batteries. So you'd be going through those pretty quickly. But get the rechargeable ones. Anyway, I would probably only use this in a pinch anyway, though, and use the wall charger if you were like at work or at home. Just you have to be next to an outlet. Keep that in mind. 2 bottle holders. That's awesome. It does come with 2 of these. The other one is downstairs. I opened it up to play with this little piece before I started the video. Anyway, this piece comes apart and you've got a little backflow protector in there. You will need to take that apart like that to wash it, I'm guessing. Pretty easy to put back together though. Seems like this would be a closed system pump then if it's got that backflow protector in there. If it's not, I'll put a note on the screen in editing for you. Something interesting I just noticed is that there's no like valve in there. And I just noticed, I think that's included on this piece. The little end right here, I think is that valve piece that you see on a lot of other pumps. Cool. Yeah, it closes that up. Interesting. That probably doesn't matter. That's probably just like a geeky little pump thing that I like because I play with a lot of pumps. Yeah, cool. So you just stick the pump on there just like that. Sweet. Okay, now one of my favorite accessories from Medela is their cooler bag. I actually have bought these before to use just for any kind of bottles. I love them so much. This is a newer style and better insulated than the other one I have from Medela. So that's awesome. It comes with 4 bottles with lids. And then this super cool cooler with the little bottle freezer pack, which I love. You fit 4 bottles in there. This is cool. This is an accessory I recommend often, even for the non-Medela pump user. This is cool. I'm just gonna stick that in my bag right now. I'm just gonna pack up my little bag right now. So I'm gonna put that cooler in there. And there you go. Ready to go. One thing I just noticed that it doesn't come with is any nipples for the bottles. So you will have to buy the nipples if you intend to use the bottle to feed your baby separately. But other than that, seems pretty cool. Seems pretty user-friendly to set up. I'm gonna be doing a review video on this pump a little bit later, as well as comparing it to some other popular pumps. So subscribe so you don't miss those videos. If you have any questions about this pump or want to see another specific part, leave me a comment down below. I always respond and read those. So we'll see you on the next video. This is the Medela Pumpin' Style Max Flow unboxing setup. Whatever. I don't know.